never want to put a nail through the face of the board like you have here. This is just temporary. You don't want nails through the face because you pour your concrete over it and you go to pull it out, it's going to spoil your concrete and crack your concrete up. So you want to nail it through the back side. I just put that temporary. Board off and the concrete come right up. What we want, general rule of thumb, 1/8 of an inch per foot, right? What does that mean? Where's my level? There it is. Okay. Right now, this board is roughly 4 feet. See the bubbles out? The board's roughly 4 feet, so we established that that's a 1/2 inch, right? So we want to go over here with our level. Get it at a 1/2 inch. Is that a 1/2 inch in the lines? Here we go, that's our pitch. That means the water's going to come away from the house. We always want it to come away from the house. We don't want the water going back towards the house. We got to make sure we got our pitch. Now we're going to do the same thing this way. Off the patio going away. This line, I pounded a stake on the inside. It's 1.5 inches, right? So what we're going to do is use that for a gauge. This is 1.5 inches. We'll use this as a gauge as we go down our line. We're going to nail our stakes to make sure our bulkhead, our 2x4 is straight here. I'm also using it for grade, which means that's the height. So this, where this line is, should be, as you can see, even with this. So that's your height. So we'll make a nice straight edge. So now we'll go down the whole thing and I'll show you after. Okay, check it. Now it's straight. And it's on grade. Same level. So when you look at the patio, it's going to look nice and straight. We use this 2x4 as a gauge to check it up against our line, all the way down the line. We got our line set up on both sides.